Ooh.
Dangerous.
If we are leaving the rope, it would be very thrilling, very adventurous.
Fear holds us back. Fear spoils our success. Hello guys, this is Saskay. In this video, we are going to fight against fear. Welcome to IMAX World YouTube channel. If you don't subscribe IMAX World, please subscribe because lot of adventures on the way. In this video, we are going to climb Jivdhan Fort. It's one of the most challenging trekking in Maharashtra. And additionally, this mountain contains Jivdhan Fort Rappelling. At the off-season, lot of adventure activities available in Maharashtra. But most popular is Jivdhan Fort Rappelling. In this video, we will explore the Jivdhan Fort Rappelling. Let's start the travel. We already reached the Nanegat Valley Point. This video is part 3. If you missed to see the part 1 and part 2, I also mentioned it in this video description part 1 and part 2. You can check it. Early morning 4 AM we start the trek. We are already 30 people. Not all are same age group, but all are excited to see the sunrise. We started early morning trekking because after 10 AM so much heat. It will drop our energy fastly. Already we have 5 guides because here is no lamp lights is there. We have head torches, but we don't know the pathway. If you coming this place, please take some guides. Here no pathway is there and lot of animals also there. After 30 minutes walk, we reached Jivdhan Fort trekking starting point. We take 10 minutes rest and then start the travel. This place look like a deep forest, but it's actually not a deep forest. Long size grasses and trees all feel like a deep forest. Now this mountain not have water sources, so we all take the 2-liter water bottle ourselves. After 30-minute walk, we will reach the mountain base point. Jivdhan Fort trek route will be tough for first timers. The jungle trek route can be confusing and misleading. Jivdhan Fort dates back to the Sadavana dynasty. The entry points built by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Nanegat Pass located nearby was an important trading route connecting Junnar and Kalyan. Jivdhan Fort guarded this route, which was the strategic location for many kingdoms. Lot of years after, British destroyed all the approaches to the fort after capturing the fort in 1880. After few minutes later, we will reach the most dangerous step points. This is the important point of Jivdhan Fort trekking. This place is most dangerous, so please aware. Finally, we reached the entry point of Jivdhan Fort gate and also we reached the top point of Jivdhan Fort. Early morning 6 AM we will reach the top. Now we are waiting for sunrise. Few minutes after sunrise will come and all are ready to start the activity. Vanarlingi Pinnacle. The 385 feet high pinnacle near the Jivdhan Fort is famous for rocking climbing. As you move closer to the Jivdhan Killa, you see the beauty of the Vanarlingi Pinnacle. Proper technical rock climbing knowledge and equipment is required to summit the Vanarlingi Pinnacle. Jivdhan Fort has impressive landscape views, treat for photographers. You can see Chavan Fort, Harichandragarh Killa, Ajoba Parvat, Ratangad Fort, Nanegat Pass, Hadsar Fort, Nimgiri Fort, all are nearby Jivdhan Fort. Now finally we are ready for the adventure.
We've been living in sin so long, all the feels are gone. Fella stopped me on the street last night, said everything's alright. Roller coaster, make it through the day.
Have you ever imagined yourself hanging on a rope within two mountains? Imagine that you are hanging by a rope in the middle of two mountains. with a valley thousands of feet below. If this vertigo-inducing situation gives you an adrenal rush, you would definitely enjoy valley crossing. Valley crossing is an adventure activity that involves getting from one mountain to another across a valley using nothing but ropes whose two ends are securely fastened on the two mountains. Participants then wear a harness and mount the rope to traverse several feet above the ground. We are in Sahyadri Mountains. The Sahyadris, which have been geologically blessed with massive mountains and jagged pinnacles, are the home turf for the adrenal junkies. For thrill seekers lacking the technical capability of getting into the summit of such a pinnacle is a dream long cherished.
Let's go! All sing your high line with the roller coaster of life. Yeah. It's time to all choose your timeline on the roller coaster of life. Oh, you seem to easily forget how to place your bet. When everyday life gets you down, you gotta steal the crown. Got to own it. Don't bitch and moan.
It was an unforgettable experience in my life.
God forbid you
This is my first rappelling. Hereafter we will try all the rappelling in the world. Okay guys, let's finish the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. In the next part we can see the Nimgiri Fort trekking video. And if you forget to subscribe IMAX World YouTube channel, please subscribe. Okay, bye bye.
But bro, how do you feel? How do you feel, bro? Happening.
Dangerous.
Dangerous. The experience.
It was amazing. It was first time. It was very thrilling, very adventurous.
Happening.
It was mesmerizing. I was very fearful while raffling down,
Okay.
but then eventually I did it. I don't know how I did it, but we have finished it.
So,
It felt like if we are leaving the rope, we would